In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 154 by 7 using the long division method. As 1 is less than 7, that is why we will consider the numbers 15. And we know that 7 times 2 is 14. If we subtract, we get 1. Now see that this 1 is less than 7. That is why we will bring down this number 4 here. And again we know that 7 times 2 is 14. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have no number to bring down here and we have got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 154 divided by 7 is equal to 22. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.